Do you want to make date of birth private on Facebook? You can hide birthday on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make your date of birth private on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down and find the Personal Details section. Under Personal Details, find and tap on your date of birth. A new screen will open. Now, tap on the drop-down menu option at the top of your birthday and month. Select Only Me from the pop-up options. To hide your birth year, select Only Me here as well. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your date of birth will be private on your Facebook profile.